Okay, everybody, this is a quick layout update. This is an 027 042 switch, 42-inch diameter. I'm going to be installing it over here to give me one rail for the yard. It's going to be uniform with the fast track on the bottom. So I'm going to cut this out, cut that out, and put that in there. Everything is well with the slot car situation, the highway. Highway's all in there. Everything is flush. It's lined up properly. Stay tuned. I'll be installing that 02742 042 switch. Okay, everybody, I'm cutting this 027 track right now. I'm using this hacksaw. I'm almost all the way through. I just stopped so I can show you guys. I gotta cut this piece out so I can install that switch right there. It's gonna go right in there. Should be finished in another 10 minutes. Okay, you see I cut this piece. I'm just gonna sand it at the end there. It's very important that, where's my file at? It's very important that you clean inside of here, because that's where the rail goes down. Anyhow, I'm just gonna sand this thing down. I can't do it with the phone while I'm filming, but you guys are gonna see the finished work. Okay, now I'm gonna slide this piece back on to the end of that curve. I just sanded it down. Okay, right now I'm gonna be installing these pins that go in here. On these 027 tracks, you have to put an isolating pin here. This rail here is cut off from electricity right here on both of the inner rails right here. I'm going to install it in a minute. I like these switches right here. The 027 switches, I like them. I like how they're made. They make a lot of noise when the train goes over them, but I like them. The train stays on the rail on that. It's pretty heavy too. So I'm going to install these pins. Okay, everybody, here's the rail I constructed. This is nice and tight. I can't get this any tighter. Okay, I can't get that any tighter, so I'm getting ready to go and put this in my bedroom and install this rail right over here. Okay, I installed the 027 042 track there. Just got to cut some wood out. This thing is pretty much uniform with the bottom level there. This is a 072 track, fast track, and this is a 042 track. I'm trying to line these guys up. Just got something holding that up. I'm not finished yet. Gotta run a train over here. Okay, everybody, I installed a switch. I'm just getting ready to run a train over it for the first time. Excellent. Okay, he's good to go. Here's the switch right here. He's good to go. I gotta finish messing around with that rail over there. I gotta order some more track. And that's it. Okay. Made a lot of progress over here. A lot of progress. See that? Lot of progress, man. Lot of progress.